Welcome back to Food Friday. I'm Janna, I'm the dietitian here at the Stram Center, and we're going to start a summer salad series because it's summertime, it's been hotter than ever, and what's more refreshing than a really nourishing, cool salad? So today we're going to make an arugula watermelon salad with feta. So arugula is great because it's one of the bitter greens. So our bitters, they help us with digestion and healing, lots of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and watermelon is a hydrating food. It has a high volume of water, so you're hydrating your body and nourishing it while getting also some fiber. So when I cut a watermelon, I like to slice off the top and the bottom, and then I like to just go around and cut off the outside. You can always then go back and trim a little bit more of the white. Put the feta in, add 6 tablespoons of white balsamic. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Line up all of your leaves, and it makes it really easy to roll up this little bundle, and then you can chop little rings.